What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got another awesome unboxing to share with you guys. But before we do that, I just want to give a couple of shout outs. If you remember, I do have two beautiful knives to give away to anybody, not just patrons, literally anybody. The moment that I hit 80 patrons, started opening them up, saying anybody who wants to join my Patreon right now will not only get the perks that are associated with joining my Patreon, but also receive a shout out. So we have two new ones here. I just want to shout out real quick, Elite Metal Knight at Chandler_EDC on Instagram. Great guy. He said, hey, I'm new to Instagram. I would really appreciate a shout out. So give this guy a follow. Absolutely. Show him some love. I really appreciate that, Chandler. Thanks so much. And then also we have Metal Knight Fallen Knight 71. Really appreciate the support. So if you see him down in the comments section, be sure to give him a like. Okay, moving on here. Now I'm going to wait before I tag this person or show their Instagram tag, because I'm 99% sure I know exactly what is in this package. But I'm going to open it up just to be 100% sure. And obviously, if I open it, right, I can't read. It's not like I can redo the video because it'll already be open. So let's go ahead and use the wonderful Rainbow Lady of the Sea. By the way, if you'd like to pick up your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea, links in the description, as well as links for some amazingly useful items such as my Weeabit selector, my Weeabit bit driver, as well as some awesome, very useful EDC tools and gear, and of course, knives and things, you know, the stuff that I like to show every single day, the stuff that I use and carry. It's all sorted out down there. So whatever your itch is, you'll find something down there. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. What'd that take? Under 2 minutes. That's my goal. Under 2 minutes to get all that stuff out. I do not want to cut into anything that I am not supposed to cut into. So there we go. Look at the grace and precision. Do we have what I think we have? I'm going to remove this tape very carefully. I'm sure he's laughing right now. I'm sure he's just like cracking up. Okay, we're going to make a cut with surgical precision. There we go. Surgical precision. Okay, I still can't be sure that this is what I think it is. So we're just going to slowly come backwards. Is this what I think it is? Yes, it is. Get off of my finger. I'm off camera trying to get... Okay, here we go. Awesome. North Arm Skaha 2, I believe is what this is. So now I can show that this knife was lent to me for review by Mr. Lavender Pants 86, which is, for whatever reason, makes me laugh every time I read it. So give him a follow at Lavender Pants 86 on Instagram. A lot of you guys, if you hang out with me on Instagram or you follow me or you talk, you know, I like to interact with my Instagram followers, and Lavender Pants is always down in my comment section. I love kind of going back and forth. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for lending this to me. This is so cool. Yet another knife that, god dang, the action is crazy smooth on this. So I'll tell you this. So this knife, it's so satisfying to have this in hand finally, because it feels so similar to how I thought it would feel. Except that the detent, for whatever reason, I imagined this knife with a subpar detent. But no, the detent, not only is the detent crisp, but ooh, it's so luxurious. It's such a nice feeling, nice low, ooh yeah, nice and low, very crispy. Bam, ooh, that feels good. Plus, you get those awesome lines that are, you know, kind of the same horizontal lines that you see on the Norseman. That is just beautiful. Of course, I think the draw to the North Arm Skaha is, number one, the incredibly simple aesthetic and simple grind, but a lot of times with simplicity does come straightforward, a straightforward utilitarian design, and that is my first impression of this is, wow, this is a straightforward, well-built knife. Love the contouring, very nicely contoured. You can see here on these G10 scales, and of course we do have countersunk steel liners on the inside. Very cool. A couple little standoffs back there, and a wire clip that honestly does go really well with it. I love that blade shape. Man, ooh, oh, feels very thin behind the edge. This is awesome. I can't wait to play with this and take a look at it. It's my understanding that these are fairly difficult to get a hold of after another particular reviewer really really helped him take off, you know. That's I think we in the knife world call that the Nick Shabazz effect. I don't know. I feel like it was Nick Shabazz who took a look at this and I seem to remember him saying, like, you know, they sold out and now they're like they've got so many orders they're not sure what to do. That was a while ago, but I believe these are still pretty difficult to get a hold of. So I am infinitely appreciative, Mr. Pants, Mr. Lavender Pants 86. Very appreciative of you lending this to me. Thank you very much, guys. That is going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Like I said, if you'd like to take a look at my Patreon, get yourself a shout out, whether you have Instagram or YouTube, or you just want me to say something ridiculous or funny, you can do that right now. The goal is 80, though you guys seem to like the shout out thing, so I'll probably keep doing that. Once we hit 80 patrons, I will of course open up the free to enter giveaway for the Giant Mouse Clyde and the Mazarine Nimrod so that everybody can win, whether you are a part of my Patreon or you're just somebody who watches my channel. That's perfectly fine. Remember that I do have once a week Patreon exclusive videos, as well as my Metal Complex logo sticker at the $3 tier and my Metal Knight helmet sticker at the $5 tier. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of other knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.